everyone, welcome back. So today I really feel like baking and I really need something soothing and rich. So we are making almond and chocolate brownies. Nothing better than a good brownie. You just need that punch, that richness. So let's start cooking. So we're gonna start with our main ingredient, chocolate. I always use dark chocolate. This is great for us and really gives that richness to any dessert or cake. So I have a 200 grams chocolate bar. I'm gonna take about half of these. Chocolate is like a baby. Nothing can be too strong or too aggressive. So I'm melting the chocolate on a really low heat, and we don't want any direct heat. So I have put some hot water in a pan and a bowl on top, and there is where I'm going to melt my chocolate. To the chocolate, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Dark chocolate is really great for us. It's full of antioxidants and really a great way of getting the dessert feeling without going off on calories. There's nothing better than the perfume of melting chocolate. So we don't want the chocolate to overheat. So as soon as it melted, take it out of the heat. This is now ready to start mixing the rest of the ingredients. First ingredient is 50 grams of cocoa. This really makes this chocolate really dark and really rich and powerful. We're gonna use 2 full eggs and 1 egg yolk. Let's add it one by one, mix it all the time. Second egg. Last, our yolk. As you see at the moment, we have a really dark and really shiny dough. Now, we add our sugar. So I'm adding 50 grams of brown sugar. It looks like I'm mixing too hard. Now a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So this is the only flour I'm going to add to our dough. This is 50 grams of flour. And a teaspoon of baking powder. now, at last, 100 grams of ground almonds. Our mixture is now ready. I have prepared a roasting tray with some vegetable paper. With a brush, I'm just going to put some coconut oil. Ready. You know you're gonna have a good brownie when the dough is really sticky. And now, our last bit. I'm gonna add random pieces of chocolate, and these are gonna create heavenly bites. And for last, just for a bit of crunch, 20 grams of almonds. Just give them a rough chop. These will toast and really go the extra mile. So now this goes into the oven at the medium heat for about 20 minutes. If you like rich chocolate desserts, we chocoholics are together. So now it's time to clean up and make some coffee. Our brownies should be now ready. Here they are. There's nothing better than a chocolate dessert coming out of the oven. So now we should try to wait for these to cool down and then cut it off. And we are ready to play. So now you go and make these brownies. Because I have a coffee